अपने रहे तो मतलब जो पार्टी आएगी उसको 97 देंगे और बंदा है वो थोड़ा वैसा है। हाँ, तो कल क्या करेंगे शाम को
and oh, adorable you are. Oh, hello. Puchu puchu puchu, so cute. So cute, baby. So cute, baby. Ole, ole, ole. Hello, welcome to a new video. Today is 2nd of February and it is Vasant Panchami, and I just finished my prayers and puja of Saraswati Ma, and I have also recorded a tarot video about my divine guidances that I've been getting. So I've been meditating a lot and I've been receiving a lot of messages. So there has been a huge perspective shift and energy shift that I can feel. Lot of uh, incidents has been happening that is very difficult to explain how it's happening, what happened, why it happened, and all. But yeah, we have experienced it together. So I'm going to be like recording today, like how I am going to be changing this space, okay? Because changing space is really important. So this is the back side of my, when you enter, this is the left side of my room. There's a mirror here. There's like a vision wall space out there that I wanted to be like a vision wall. And that's a table where I do my tarot readings and all. Then there's a TV out there. It really doesn't work, but it's just there. Then these are my cats. That's the situation on the window. That's the wardrobe, and I put my clothes in there. Now on the right side, here there are two tables. My manifestation, my love, is working. Babu, say hello. And this is super special because it's the month of Feb and we are going to be getting married this year. Are you excited?
Yes!
Okay. Whoa. What did you do? I mean, I literally like my heart shook. Okay. So this year we are going to get married, and I thought it's important that I record these little moments because this is a space where I think I will not be living after some time because we'll be shifting to our own place, and I'm very excited to move into my new home with my husband. So we had our um, one marriage, like we just got married to each other, which was just for our own love promise sake, but now we're going to have our family wedding, the social one. So this is going to be a very amazing time when I'm thinking कि हर दिन में कुछ कुछ स्पेशल होगा तो मैं उसको रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ और क्यों ना शेयर करूँ. और मैं सोच रही थी कि ये जो रूम है ये काफ़ी इसमें चेंजेस की ज़रूरत है राइट ना, क्योंकि जैन में हम जैन तो मतलब काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों को कर एक स्लो सा एनर्जी था, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदू रिलीजन 29 जनवरी से एक्चुअली में नया साल स्टार्ट हुआ है, इवन वाया फॉर फेंगशुई 29 जनवरी से सारा एनर्जी शिफ्ट जो हुआ है वो 29 से ही हुआ है. तो अभी जो है स्पेस में मैं थोड़ा एनर्जेटिकल शिफ्ट के लिए क्या क्या ऐड करने वाली हूँ और कैसे एक स्पेस का एनर्जी आप ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर मैं इस वीडियो को बना रही हूँ. तो पहले तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू सेट इंटेंशन फॉर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्पेसेस इन योर रूम. जैसे दिस इज़ अ टेबल स्पेस, तो इस पर मैं एक तो इसका जो ये चीज़ है इट्स नॉट गिविंग मी अ वेरी गुड वाइब. सो आई वॉज डूइंग अ टैरो रीडिंग, तो उसमें आया था कि अगर you have the power to create your reality, so however you want to create your reality you can change that, so you can totally change this into how you want this space to be, right? So I'm going to be adding a white this thing that I bought from Amazon, एक white चार्ट पेपर नहीं, क्या कहते हैं, स्टिकर है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टिक दिस इसके ऊपर so that it looks little prettier. And this place By Baba Neem Karoli's picture here. My husband pasted it. We went to Neem Karoli Baba's um, darbar, or it was so amazing space on my birthday, and it was really special. अगर बाबा बुलाएंगे तो हमको दोबारा से जाने को मिलेगा, तो हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है. बट ये वाला जो एरिया है, इसमें मैं जैसे थिंग्स टू डू लिस्ट और ये सब चीज़ें डालना चाहती हूँ. सम थिंग्स दैट इंस्पायर मी ऑन दिस वॉल, जिनको देख के मैं उनको मैनिफेस्ट करूँ. ये मैंने कमल गट्टे का माला पहना हुआ है, और पहले तो मैं यहाँ पे ये लगा दूँगी, ठीक है. ये माय लव्स टेबल, माय हस्बैंड्स टेबल. तो यहाँ पे ही जस्ट कीप्स हिज लैपटॉप एंड ऑल, मोस्टली ही इज नॉट यूजिंग इट, एंड वी बोथ डू टैरो रीडिंग्स. सो and we have a lot of other works also, like our other things that is there, but this is a part of our spiritual calling, and we are twin flames. And if you have been into spirituality, then you know that you are taken through this route, so you are guided, and when you help others, you are on your life path, and if you do things that will help others, तो उसी से आपका लाइफ पाथ जो होता है वो टिक होता रहता है. तो आपके लिए अलाइनमेंट में सारी चीज़ें वर्क करती रहती है. जितना आप दूसरों को हेल्प करेंगे एंड आप क्रिएटिवली खुद को एक्सप्रेस करेंगे एंड अपने लाइफ पर्पस से जुड़े हुए रहोगे, तो हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती है. वी आर इनटू पॉलिटिक्स ऑल्सो, एंड वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर लॉ एज वेल. नहीं, वट एवर वी बोथ डू इट टुगेदर, बिकॉज इट्स अ शिव शक्ति. वी बोथ. तो दिस इज अ शिव शक्ति एनर्जी.
चक्कर आ रहा है.
हम होता है ना, तुम हम हो. तो विप्लव इज़ फ्रॉम लखनऊ एंड आई एम फ्रॉम असम. तो हमारा प्लेस ऑफ लाइफ भी काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, लाइक बर्थ प्लेस इज़ डिफरेंट. आई एम बंगाली एंड ही इज़ फ्रॉम लखनऊ. थोड़ा भोजपुरी में कुछ बोल के सुना दो.
আমাকে আমি ভোজপুরি করতে পারবো. Please go from here.
Why?
Go.
Say not to land in
Go
Bhojpuri.
now.
Please.
Go make shake.
ना तो he taught me Bhojpuri, ना he like speaks like when he talks to his family wale people, then he speaks very nice Bhojpuri and so sexy. I love his Bhojpuri accent, but I don't want to like try also without
Bhojpuri.
perfecting, because then it doesn't sound right. Ooh, garamba. Radio Mirchi. One line my Bihari friend taught me. That's all she taught.
So you saw so many movies.
अरे
बसंत पंचमी के दिन.
नहीं बोलना था, तुम क्यों बोल रहे थे? फिर मूवीज से देख के यही सीखा था मैंने. तो चलो ठीक है, ये वाला स्पेस जो हो गया, इसको मतलब मुझको प्रोडक्टिव स्पेस में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आई एम मेकिंग दिस अ वेरी informal video, because I want to share now every day. I don't care about who's watching it, but I want to share good things that I learn. I want to share that. I want to learn it and I want to share. So this is the north direction, and this is the west direction in my room, and here's the bed, and this is the south direction of my room. So, and this is the east direction. So according to Vastu, okay, it's really important, and feng shui also, that on the north you keep the water element. So this should be a space where you have water element. You can integrate mirror, right? So mirror can be integrated here, mirror or watch, इसलिए I have put the watch there. तो watch, mirror और ये water element, black, blue, ये north direction होनी चाहिए. And the west direction is more about creativity and electronic items and metal items. तो metal items के लिए यहाँ पे you can put a metal vase, you can put a metal का lamp, or something metallic colors would also do. So something metallic should be going on this side, and lights and all. This is the south direction, and on the south you should put maybe a red lamp that activates the energy of little red lamp. It activates the energy of prosperity, and red is a color which is not something that everybody should mess up a lot with. So you can go with like baby pink, or like something more towards like pink or maroon or anything, but not exactly red, but maybe from the red family, because red से positive से negative भी हो सकता है if not used properly. तो ये वाला जो एरिया है इसमें फायर एलिमेंट होता है, तो इस यू कैन पुट फायर प्रोडक्ट्स आउट हियर. fire products, as in like candles and anything like that denotes fire. Triangular shapes also works. Now this is the east side. ये वाला साइड ईस्ट है, इसमें वुडन एलिमेंट होने चाहिए, मे बी प्लांट्स, राइट? प्लांट सबसे पहले आता है, वुडन कलर आइटम्स। ईस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि उसको एक्टिवेट करके रखा जाए। तो दिस इज़ द बेसिक, ये अब नॉर्थ में मैंने रखा है क्योंकि नॉर्थ साइड में है। दिस इज़ द बेसिक थिंग दैट इज़ देयर। सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ लाइक just doing it now, like after I've talked. There my cat is sitting there. His name is Prince and he loves the new cat bag that we got. So now step by step I will be changing this space into something different. So first I will try to change how this window space is looking, because it's not giving a very good vibe. So since curtains are a very big chunk of fabric, it can totally change the look of a space. And since it is south, I can use gold or red on this side, and same for the west side. Yellow, gold, these colors are good. So I'm going to be changing this. This Saraswati Puja, so I'm wearing this sari. Oh, I can click a nice picture also. Like this. Oh, that's what you were saying, na? Click a picture. And I did not click picture that time. Today I will edit it and upload it and delete it also.
कितने चढ़ होते हैं इसमें?
We'll upload
अरे
it.
चढ़ी गई।
तो ये थोड़ा सा छोटा पड़ गया एक्चुअली, मतलब तो टेबल को पूरा सफिशिएंट नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो हमने कोई दूसरा जुगाड़ निकाला। So it's 10:10 on the clock and it's the 2nd of February. It's going to end today and I will be doing my prayers midnight. I don't have to say this. Okay, anyways, so I just had a lot of new energy in me, and so after trying to change everything, so I changed this space. Oh my god, no, Babu. No, baby. No, his name is Prince. Yeah, it's very long. He's very tall. Hi, Prince. Do you like the room? No? Nay. Why? Earlier it was better. Earlier everything was familiar and better, no? Things have changed. Yeah. See?
I don't like it. Nobody likes the change.
You don't like it?
Change.
But do you like the room now? Yeah.
But the white thing was looking better there.
Yeah, but I had given it for a wash, no? So, for the moment, the white has gone and this gold thing has come. This is the curtain, and I got this in Diwali and I did not know where to put this, so I just put it on the head, upar wala part. Also in south, if you put red things, it brings luck. And then there are like some fairy lights, and I changed the cushion covers. Just changing the cushion covers can change so much of a vibe in the room. So earlier it was all red and now it's become like some little bit of gold. And then there are more cushion covers here. So we have just put a bed sheet on the couch, and this is the scene here. Now I want to ask you clearly, tell me, do you like the space? Do you think it's calm? Okay, okay. White is better. Or maybe like pink. Okay, so this is a temporary arrangement for today. I'll change it to something cuter. And I have to get some curtains for this one also.
Please give me some water to drink.
I'm liking the vibe for the day because I feel very productive and this. Yeah, it's actually feeling quite peaceful. I did not know what to do with this thing. It was looking quite pale with the this thing. Some sticker would go well, or maybe some chalk paint. But for now, I'll just put a poster here. And this has also turned out really well. Viplav and I just worked together for this. Actually, he put this, and I just helped him. It's looking nice, very clean. When the space is clean, your mind feels fresh, and then you feel more productive. So just doing little things in your space, I think, feels so much better. Okay, so now it's 10 o'clock, and I think I'm going to go and change into something more comfortable. That's the night view, which I really like. I think it's looking very nice at night when the lights are off. It's pretty nice, and that's pretty sleepy. So that's it for this vlog. The room has turned out to be pretty nice. That's the main idea that I had. It was basically sorry. There's a cat in there. Oh god, I'm so sorry. 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 She was sleeping. I don't know why I stepped on her. And Prince is also liking the space. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll do something more to the space tomorrow. Try to change it more, make it more fun, more productive. The idea is every day when you do something intentionally for an intentional life and not feel stuck, it helps you express more. So it helps you to creatively express yourself. And if you are someone who's pretty introverted and you don't like to share much, then it's the first thing that one needs to do is like connect with your inner creativity and channelize it in every way, like whether it's your space or it's little thing like how you're writing, what are you reading, writing, your space, decorating your space, and anything creatively expressing and connecting with the creativity comes from the solar plexus. And okay, that's another thing we will talk about. But yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out, and it's kind of giving a very cozy, peaceful, simple vibe. I might change the curtain later on, and even the paint perhaps, but for now it's important to be content with what you have. It's very important to be at peace with current situations. Even when you are moving and changing things, it's important to be at peace. So I think I've mastered that with a lot of meditation. Hope to stay connected with you, so please subscribe and stay connected. Tomorrow I'll upload another video, and this is going to be a very special time in my life. So I think recording every single day would be very nice. And I don't know, like, where I'm just holding the thing, which is moving it everywhere. So, and I'm wearing this night thing that I bought. It's got coffee on it, and it's pink in color. I feel really happy when I wear this color, pink. I don't know, there's something about pink. And yeah, I have to go and take off my makeup and stuff that I put on my eyes. But I feel extremely happy to change this thing, like it is regularly required. Every 1 or 2 weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks, the deep cleaning and intentionally setting the space is extremely crucial, or it gets stagnated and my energy gets affected very fast. So for me too, it's very important. So it's very nice. Let me know how you think. What do you think? So this is something that I am really interested in. Decorating this thing is decorating a room, decorating a space, a home. These are things that really interest me. So different people might have different interests. Let me know below. Are you also interested in decorating your space? And cats and cozy life. Are you also the type of person who finds peace after decoration, after cleaning and planning productive things, productivity? I think for women, there will be a lot of people who will connect with this. For so cute. For men, maybe men really enjoy to find the room clean and nice and all. But I don't know how. My husband likes cleanliness very much, but I think I enjoy the decoration part. So when you do it and when you involve him also, it's a beautiful way to bond together, to make the space look intentional together, you know. So he's not really actively into like decorating and all, but he just likes the space clean. Anyways, so there's so much to share. I would love to talk to you more. Meet you tomorrow in another video. Bye. Sending you lots of love and divine blessings. Say bye. Bye bye. They're also very happy. The vibe actually has become very nice. So, bye.